Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Use an Apple-certified cable and a direct USB port on the computer. Unlock your iPhone and keep it awake so the screen can display prompts. Once connected, quit iTunes or Finder and relaunch them so the system rescans. Make sure no VPN or personal hotspot is active because network filters can block the prompt. If you have another trusted computer, briefly test there to confirm whether the problem is device or computer-specific. Now perform the deeper connection resets. Restart both the iPhone and the computer to clear transient USB or driver glitches. If that fails, reset the iPhone network settings. This restores pairing-related caches without wiping media. Alternatively, reset location and privacy to force the trust dialog to reappear. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, and choose Reset Location and Privacy. Once done, reconnect and watch the screen closely for the Trust dialog. Tap Trust and enter your passcode to confirm the new pairing. Finish by addressing drivers and software. On Windows, open Device Manager and reinstall the Apple Mobile Device USB driver, then reconnect. Make sure iOS, macOS, or iTunes is up to date because mismatched software can suppress the Trust prompt. Try a different cable or USB port. A single faulty pin often causes silent failures. If the prompt still won't show, reset location and privacy again, test on a second computer, and finally contact Apple support. They can check hardware-level pairing and diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.